So we're here at PH Craft Cocktails in lovely Wedgwood, Houston, and we're here with our bartender Dominic, and he's going to show us how to make the second signature cocktail of the night. So for starters, what is the cocktail called?
So this cocktail is called the Banana Flambé.
I love that. So we may have some fire coming here from what I hear, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. I love
You
any
guessed
drink
right.
that's on fire.
It's
Awesome.
actually one of the first cocktails I made.
Okay, and what's the base spirit here? Is this a rum cocktail?
Mm-hmm.
My favorite.
Campesino.
Okay, I love rum. It is my absolute favorite spirit of all time. Oh, that's a lot. Okay. This is a strong cocktail for anybody, for anybody asking.
Then we're gonna do lemon is the other side.
Okay, awesome. So you created this cocktail, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how did you come about this? Like, what were you thinking of? How did this happen?
So the first bar I worked at, there was rum sitting right next to the banana.
Okay.
And I was thinking, rum is usually what my dad uses. He uses Bacardi 151 to make Bananas Foster.
Okay.
So I wanted to make something that was like Bananas Foster.
I love that.
So
okay, so does this cocktail have like some caramel notes, like a traditional Bananas Foster?
yeah, the caramel
cool.
comes a lot from, this rum has a lot of caramel notes in it.
Okay.
And then also this brown sugar syrup that we make in-house.
Love that. I love the
lot of
idea of
caramel notes
using
as well.
brown sugar just to give that more full body flavor. That's amazing. Okay, what's that?
Also give it a little bit of habanero oil.
Oh, so this is a little spicy too.
Yeah, it adds a little bit of kick, but not
like
too
it.
far, not too far.
I
Not like a
like
spicy margarita or anything.
So
like
this
that.
cocktail is on fire and it's a little bit spicy.
And then here's salt. This just balances it out. This is saline drops.
I love that. I see a lot of bartenders using saline in their cocktails lately. Is that something new? Just adding kind of a more well-rounded flavor?
Yeah, it's been a growing tradition over the years to start
Okay.
adding saline. And then this is egg.
is
So it's full egg.
Oh.
Now a lot of cocktails use egg white. Traditionally, whiskey sours are made with egg white.
Okay.
But another growing tradition in this like craft spirit cocktail community
Mm-hmm.
has been to use full egg. It's called a full flip cocktail, and that's what this is today. So first, what you're
Okay.
gonna do
Learning something new.
is called a dry shake.
Okay, so no ice, right?
Yeah, just to aerate it.
Okay, so that gives it like that foamy top when you get a cocktail,
Mhm.
right? Okay, cool. Oh, this is pretty.
And then you do a wet shake, so that's added ice.
So how do you know when to stop shaking?
So I count ticka 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 ticka, and I do that usually 3 to 4 times depending on what drink I'm making.
Okay, that's good. I'll try to remember that next time I'm at home.
A lot of bartenders do it differently.
Okay.
One of the most common ones is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and then you can count like every 1 2 3. So like 1 2 3 4, and you'll see that a lot.
Because I'm just shaking at home until my hand gets tired, so that's not too long.
I'll be right back. I gotta get a big ice.
Perfect. And can I pour? Thank you.
This right here. Sorry.
Can I
about that.
pour?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so I just hold this strainer. This is what
Mhm.
it's called? Is there any special way of doing it?
You're gonna want to push this down when you do it. It has to be pushed all the way down. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay,
And just dump.
just dump.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't let go of that strainer.
Oh yeah.
You don't want all the big ice pieces coming out.
Oh, I feel it. Okay. Oh, that's pretty.
Let me get that head on there.
Awesome.
Here.
Oh, that looks
You did a pretty good job. There's not too much left.
Okay. I'm
So leave that
officially a
right there.
professional.
And we got this right here.
Oh, is that a dry banana chip?
Mm-hmm.
I love. Oh, and I'm roasted.
And then for the last touch,
Oh. Oh. Okay.
that way you
I
get all
love
the
this.
vanilla notes that you usually get with vanilla ice cream, and it's also hot because the banana is usually hot
Wow.
with Bananas Foster.
I don't even want to drink this. This is beautiful. Okay, I
Oh, I
gotta
forgot I was
taste it
handing it to
though.
you.
I gotta taste it
Yeah.
to see if your cocktail is better than Deshaun's. My money's on you. Mm.
I mean, he's my boss, so I can't say it.
Oh yeah. Sorry, Deshaun. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Dominic. This is the Bananas Foster?
Bananas Flambé.
Bananas Flambé. Make sure you guys stop by PH Craft Cocktails to try the Muddy Waters and the Bananas Flambé. They are both amazing. We'll see you here in Wedgwood, Houston next time.